Alright gang, welcome back to E-Moto Revolution. We're taking the second ride of the Thrown Serpent. Second ride today, also the Thrown Serpent. I just remembered I have to get the anniversary card. It's my wife and myself. We're celebrating 18 years this year. Gotta go get a card. Figure I'll go to Walmart. Why not? They have everything. Alright, you guys got a good view. I hope my mic works better for you guys this time. You guys got a lot of wind previously on that first ride, but hopefully this time we'll be okay. Let's go ahead and get it going. Walmart's not too far. We'll just cut across the lawn here. And we're still off the ride from this morning at 79%, 12 miles. Neighbors out, going out with the dog. Alright. Let's get out. I've been riding normally, so I get used to riding. Got all the cruisers out. Nice day out to ride today for sure. This seat is murder on my ass. Waiting for a light to change. Waiting for a light to change. I need my mirrors so I can see behind me. We're supposed to get here tomorrow. Amazon Prime. STI coming through. Train tracks. .53 APY, is that good? I don't know. What else are they offering over there? Well, it's 84 degrees out. That's not bad. A little bit of rattling there. Left turn. Made it right on time. Let's get down to eco mode for the parking lot here. Don't mind me, just playing through. Go ahead, make a Yui here. chance it and park it here, I don't think I'll get a complaint about that. I was just here this morning getting these gloves and this lock. Yep, I'm just making it difficult. There we go. Let's go head on into the store. Need my key. Gotta get used to that. Must be Walmart week sometime soon. That's when they put all these flags up here. Saw a crazy one this morning. Well, not to be offensive. An odd one. Different one. Odd one. If anybody can tell me what flag that is, that'd be fantastic. It's got a Bible, a star, a hoe, and an AK. Alright. Let's get what we came here for. People are looking at me like I'm freaking nuts talking to myself. Nope, not this eye. This one. Okay, that stopped me in my tracks. Anniversary's got to be around here somewhere, right? There he is, right in front of my face. 18 years. Oh, that's kind of funny. Let's see here. Where does it say wife? There you go, wife. There's a couple. Nope. This is a runner-up. Okay, this one's better than the last. Let's go for number 3. Simple, says a lot. Can't decide which one. I'm going to get them both and decide last minute. How about that? Okay, got 2 choices. And while we're here, we might as well go look at some video games, right? Go see what they got for good old PlayStation and Xbox. Let's see here. Got a lot of parent stuff, nothing I'm really interested in yet that I see. I have Grid, so Star Wars Outlaws, but not at $51. Have Spider-Man, not into NCAA, not a sports games guy. $75 for Monster Hunter Wilds. These game prices are insane, but I like these prices. Ooh, how about this one? Crew Motorfest, or we can go with MXATV Legends. Yeah? Maybe? I don't know. Alright, I think we're sticking with the cards. Alright, let's go check our cards out and get to scooting. Not very busy at Walmart today. Everybody's out having a good old time. Any impulse buy? Alright. Alright, what are we going to do now? Alright. Got what we came for. That was easy enough. Alright, what's around? See if we can make it to the mall. We got 76%. We've been 14 miles. Alright, let's get on out. Oh, forgot to put my gloves on. Safety first, kids. Alright. Gloves on. Get this visor down. Okay. We can head for the mall. 70%. Is this what range anxiety feels like? You keep looking at your gauge. just over there. Pinnacle Hills Promenade. We'll just cruise around a lot, see what we see. Oh, this seat. I gotta get a cushion for this seat. That's my absolute complaint about this thing. It rides great, suspension's great, seat sucks. All right, let's go. Let's cruise it and see what's going on up there. Let's switch down to Eco. Texas, Brazil, gotta eat there. Gotta love you some PF Chang's, man. There's always time for PF Chang's. Fresh Market, I don't know if you know what this is. This is kind of like a Whole Foods, but not Whole Foods. Amazon owns Whole Foods. I'm not sure who owns Fresh Market. If you all know, chime in down below. Rolling the eco mode. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Haven't had the pleasure of eating here yet. Local line, tacos and margaritas. Good old Dillard's. Now this mall here has been around for a little while. It's the newest mall in the area. All outdoors. All the shops are outdoors. The one indoor mall we have in Fayetteville, maybe I should take you down there one day and see. You see what happened to that indoor mall. There's a lot of nothing going on in it now. Alright, get your ice crafters, get your ice checked. Good old GameStop, still one left. I haven't been to shopping there in a while. Oh my gosh. Whatever you do, do not go trade your games at GameStop. They will rip you off. They have some good deals and sales though, but don't trade. Blue Zoo. From what I understand, it's an indoor aquarium. And I don't think they really treat their animals or aquatic residents very well there. Somebody just bought a bunny. Okay, I'll show you where they bought this bunny from probably. I don't know. Let's wait till we get around there. There's the back of the Blue Zoo place we were just talking about. Petland. Okay, Petland. We'll come around the front. This is the back side of it. Now, I don't know if you know the term puppy mill. Oh, Dave and Buster's. Okay, puppy mill, or for lack of a better term, It's where you just keep animals in cages, just breed them and breed them and breed them until they die. No freedom to reign, run, play, whatever, be themselves. And then places like this buy their offspring. And try to churn them out to the public at a high dollar. At a high premium. Pet land. Right there. Don't shop, don't buy pet food, don't buy anything from it. Pet food, nothing. Do not go to Petland. Okay, there's my rant for the day. Lego store. Okay, ADD kicking in. Jake Paul's little nephew right here. Well, Victoria's Secrets. Can't go wrong with that. Yo! Pedestrians first. Alright, let's keep going this way. There's nothing over there. Now the eco mode, maxed out at 17, 18 miles per hour. Don't need to be running amok in the mall. No need anything more than 15, 17. Alright, and that's pretty much the mall. These are the kind of stores that are on the outskirts of the mall. You can go through this way if you want. Go check those out. Now I'm looking at the odometer. It says 18. Okay, so I don't know. I'm sure that's not correct. How many miles I'm going? It's not more than 18. Okay, let's pep it up. Out of eco, we're in hyper. We need to be in hyper. We just be we're heading back now. We came through this way. Went around the block and we're going to come back and head back home this way. What we're going to do on the way home is totally different. I don't know, but we'll do something. We got green. There's a garage sale. That gives us an excuse to plunder. Well, you know what I mean, plunder, explore. These nice red brick homes. contract. Sidewalk riding. See it's right there. Sale that I see. What are we looking at? 62? The sign said garage sale. Good afternoon. I'm looking for Everest Street. Huh? Everest Street. Everest Street. There's a sign that says garage sale. I was trying to find that.
Go that one. Go that one, and you see the left turn. Turn left.
Take the left.
Yep.
Thank you.
You have to turn right, but you see the left turn. Just turn left. That's Everest.
Got you. Thank you. All right. I didn't go deep enough. I passed it. Oh, okay. I actually looked down this road and I was like, I'm going to come back and go down the street because the interstate just rides right by there. We're on Everest. How's it going? There's another Everest. We're just going to go ahead and head this way. Circle back to Walmart. Man, I just want to keep riding. What do we look? I got some more juice. We can spend some. We don't have to head home just yet. Look at all that. All that's new construction. And they're building some more. Those were just put up there just months ago. Last year, just months ago. Now, I haven't adjusted any of my settings as far as the dampener and the preload, the rebound, the shock and the rear, or anything like that. I haven't done any of that yet. I broke it out, put it together, took it out the box, put it together, got on it. ride. Record when you ride. And he's just crossing the street. That's all he was doing was crossing the street. Backwards to the house. How about that? Go ahead and eco this. Don't want to anger anybody at the park. A little pond here where you can fish. Probably play with your RC boats and such. See, there's some guys over there casting right now. See if we can pull up and we can get some B-roll footage. There's a turtle. Seems like a good spot. I love it. I love it. Throwing serpent's a winner. What's up, brother?
You got a knife or something?
Yeah, I got you, homie.
Yeah, cut it off. Appreciate it, bro.
Did you get in there catfish?
I don't even know how to fish, bro. We gonna figure it out, though.
There you go, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
You here to fish?
No, just,
Riding around?
yeah, first day with the new bike.
First day? When you get it? Today?
I got it, like, at my house on Wednesday, but I put it together last night. I got it.
I bet. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Whew, forgot how to get some helmet. Take it easy, fellas. This is where the track used to be, over here. All this used to be nice, had a little pump section, little tabletop section, drop-in section, all that. And they took it away. Why? Who knows? Who knows? It's not every day you see people doing artistic stuff in the park like this. How's it going? Instagram?
Yeah.
What's the subject? I mean, love, obviously, but
Just like a day thing.
okay, okay. You guys just getting ready to leave?
No, yeah, almost. Yeah, it was just take pictures and yeah, just leave.
Oh, so cutie. Thanks for your time, guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Use gas? No, just
Battery, straight battery.
nice.
Yeah.
And you need a license for that? Like a
No, like a license plate or driver's license? No, at least you got to be at least 18.
okay, that's it.
But other than that, no. But you got to follow the rules like you're on a motorcycle or driving a car. Same rules.
Okay.
You can't split, ride on the sidewalk. I obey the speed limit.
Okay.
It goes 58, 57, 58.
That's good.
So yeah, it's pretty good.
How many hours you can drive with that speed?
I'm not sure. Right now, I'm still on the first battery, brand new. This is my first day riding it.
Okay.
I'm only 46% left on the battery, and what I've been riding about 30 miles, I think.
Okay. Oh, it's pretty good.
So it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
And how many you need charging? How long time? Like
From empty to full, maybe 3 hours.
oh, it's not bad too.
No?
It's not like 3 hours. It's full, and you can I don't know drive maybe 3 hours.
Yeah. You usually go to work, back, hit Walmart. I went to Walmart, got some stuff at Walmart, went to the mall, came back. I've been riding all day.
You don't need to pay nothing.
No, you just buy the bike, and that's it. All you need is electricity. All right, brother?
Thank you.
Y'all have a good one. God bless. Thanks.
Thank you.
Love meeting nice people like that. Good conversation, people doing good things, trying to make themselves do themselves. Yes, I'm all about that. All about it. Nope. I knew I was there, I just didn't know how deep it was. Alright, 45%. Let's head back home. Drive mode. If any cops see me, I haven't seen any. If they saw me, I don't think they care. At least I wasn't doing anything horrible. Look at all that. More new stuff. Drive, obviously. Figure it out by now. Now this bridge is a road that goes under this bridge. Really over there. We'll go down there one day. We'll see. If I had more fuel, I'd go chase him down, but my voltage is depleting. This guy works on a bunch of AW buses, vans. I want to get one from him. I would really like to get one. perfect for this. I can roll it up the back and go wherever. Back in the neighborhood. Alright, just had to stop and say, hey, what's up to the homie there, my neighbor on the other, behind me on the other street. Just told me he's got stage 2 cancer. I hadn't talked to him in a few months. It's been a few months, and he tells me that. Stage 2 cancer, man. So you thought you had problems. Man, God bless that fella, man. In my prayers tonight. Alright. We are back at home. At 36%. And just like that, memory card was full. Alright. So that was a great second ride for the day. Trip to Walmart, to the mall. Sorry for the wind noise. I'm still trying to sort that out. But yeah. Good day for a good ride. Alright. Well, that's going to be it today. I just want to say God bless and thank you for joining us at the Revolution. It's your host, E-Moto Jeff, telling you God bless and peace. Until next time, get out and ride something volted.